Okay, so recently I discovered that there's someone with my name out there. Like, as many of you know, else you wouldn't be here, obviously. My name's Vybe, but as of May 18th, 2016, I got disabled on Vybe due to, what they call. Right here it says, "Hello Vybe, we discovered recently that you are not a legitimate credit reseller and have attempted to fraudulently sell credits to Imvu users." That wasn't the case. What happened was I sold a name change token for like 5k, I think it was, which I've done in the past and without any problems, but apparently it's not allowed. Therefore my account was disabled and I had not gained access to it ever since. However, recently I discovered that someone added me with this same name. However, the person that remains on this account as of today is not me. So don't fall for anything if he tries to message you or whatever. Like, this is his account right here, which is not mine. This is the Vybe that exists today. This account, however, this profile, this is my old one where it says retired. So my name has been reused. So any messages you sent to this person or received from this person or anything with this person is not me. I am on a what used to be my alternate account, which is now my main, with the name Easy, and you can contact me on that account from now on, not on Vybe anymore. Recently, not too long ago, I made a new YouTube account because obviously I cannot use the name Vybe anymore. I'll put that link in the description. You might want to check it out because I'm gonna continue on that one. I'll be making videos, tutorials, might live stream some 3D meshing, trading, even art, whatever comes to mind. It would be nice to see some old people that I've known on the account Vybe back on Easy again. So maybe anyone out there who still remembers me would add me on my new account, contact me on my new account. I want to thank everyone again for all the support I've got in the time I had the account Vybe. I really appreciate all the support I've gained throughout the years, and I'll hope to see you all again. So again, thank you.